Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Well, in the pausa we had a nice frischende Tasse Tee. Means we're going to start again, and we'll begin with a song called Kelly the Boy from Killan. What's the news, oh me ball shell me leer, with your long-barreled gun out to sea. Say what wind from the south brings a messenger here, with the hem of the dawn for the free. Goodly news, do I bring you the forth? Goodly news, will you hear, baggy man? For the boys march at morn from the south to the north, led by Kelly, the boy from Killan. Tell me who is that giant with the gold curling hair, he who rides at the head of your band? 7 feet is his height, with some inches to spare, and he looks like a king in command. Oh, me boys, that's the pride of our Balshelmaliers, amongst our greatest of heroes a man. Fling your beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheers to John Kelly, the boy from Killan. Enniscorthy's in flames, old Wexford is won. Tomorrow the Barrow will cross. On a hill or the town we have planted a gun that will bother the gateway to Ross. All the Forthmen and Bargeymen will ride o'er the heath, with brave Harvey to lead in the van. But the bravest of all in that grim gap of death will be Kelly, the boy from Killan. The gold sun of freedom grew darkened at Ross, and it set by the Slaney's red wave. And all Wexford, stripped naked, hung high on a cross, with her heart pierced by traitors and knaves. Glory, oh, to the bold men who died for the cause of long downtrodden man. Glory, oh, to Mount Leinster's own darling and pride, on this Kelly, the boy from Killan.